Welcome to Pink Caddy Garage. Today we're going to go over how to replace the rear wipers on a Mercedes full-size SUV. As far as tools go, you're just going to need one screwdriver, and of course you're going to need a replacement wiper. Let's do it. Now these wipers are usually only good for about 3 or 4 years, and you can see this one's starting to come apart. The rubber part of the blade is starting to come apart on both ends, and worse than that, when you turn this thing on, the chattering and the noise that it makes is just awful. So even if your blade looks like it's in good shape, it may be too old to have much flexibility, and it's going to make a lot of noise and not do a good job of cleaning. So looking at our new blade next to the old one, you can see that it has this little bar right here that runs across, and that is actually your attaching point to the arm. And it's just held in by tension. So what you're going to want to do is pivot this out a little bit, and then pivot the blade itself and get a screwdriver in there into the gap and work it in, and then just give it a little twist and it will pop out just like that. Clean up just around your pivot area where your new blade's going, because it's probably dirty from the old blade laying there. All right, to show you what we're dealing with here, we've got this arm and it's got this little notch right here, and that is where that little bar is going to go. So let's get it on. And this is real easy to put on. You just want to look at your angle on your arm and match it up to the angle right here, and then put that bar up against there, kind of angle it out like you did before with the screwdriver, although you're just going to be using your fingers to pop it into place. Just test it, make sure it's on. You don't want that flying off when you're going down the road. Hold it down and you are finished. Thanks for watching.